Hey everyone, so today I'm doing a video on Peachy Bbies slimes again. I actually reviewed from them last year, like 2023, so if you guys haven't seen the video yet, I'll link it down below so you guys can go watch it. This is on Valentine's Day themed, and I was actually kind of concerned they wouldn't come in at time because I ordered them on like February 8th, I think, and I thought like it would like come like after Valentine's Day, but they came 2 days before, which is great. So before I reveal the slimes, I'm going to show you guys the extras that came with, so yeah, we got this like cute pants squishy right here. Look how adorable this is, like just look at them. Or is it her? I can't tell, but it's so cute. Like, this is adorable. Love it. I'll put it over here for now. It also came with, like, this bracelet that says Peachy Bbies on it, and it's, like, orange-ish, I guess. It has, like, their, like, website name on it. Looks like this. And it's in, like, this, like, white writing, too. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's there, just believe me. We also have this like activator pen as well. So it's called Sticky Fix Spray. It's like this like pink bottle, not bottle, but like, you know, spray bottle, I guess you could say. I'm not sure. Also says do not eat or drink because this is liquid, but either way, don't eat or drink borax, which might go to hospital. So here's that. Also, I recommend keeping those like little activator bottles that sometimes shops give you, because that way if your slime like gets sticky, or anything that's sticky really, then you can use that. That way you want to like buy borax or have to like buy stuff to make borax at the store. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. Also comes with these 2 stickers as well, which I'm probably not going to use because, you know, I don't even use stickers that much, but I do, but I only use like certain ones. So this has the one with the logo on it right here, and this one right here. This one is like pink with like sparkles on it, not sparkles, but you know, like pictures of sparkles on it with like banana, a heart, cherry, kiwi, like some fruits on it basically. So there's that one. And then there's also this one right here I showed you earlier, but this one has the logo on it, which is like yellow with like a black lining underneath, like a red pinkish heart, I guess, with like, and then the logo right here, which is in all like blue letters with like a black outlining. So yeah, there's that. Like I said, I'm probably not gonna use it. And also there's this squishy thing right here. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a frog. Hang on, let me get this thing out. Maybe. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I think this is, oh, this is a crab. Okay. Or is it a frog? Okay, comment down below if you guys think this is a crab or frog, because I really can't tell because it's green and I feel like it's a crab, but it might be a frog. I'm not sure. Comment down below if what you guys think this is, because I'm really not sure. Also comes with, you know, their typical business card, you know, like their, you know, has like their thank you, has all the social medias on it, and their website on here as well. I also tell you how to fix slime and stuff like that, but I don't need that because I know how to fix slime. So yeah, but here's what the front looks like. You guys can pause and read that if you want to. There's also the back right here as well. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys the slime, so let's get into it. So right here is the, what's it called? The Froggy Cupid slime, and this is a cloud slime, or at least I'm pretty sure it is, and this is like half green, half yellow. So I'm going to like do like the ASMR thing where like I like have my phone like up there, and then I'll like do like a little overview of me playing with it so you guys can like see it better. So yeah, let me just go ahead and show you guys the slime right now, so I'll just do that right now. So that was the slime that I just reviewed for you. As you can tell, it was like a yellow, half green. So then I mixed it together and turned into this like really nice light green color. The scent is sour candy, but to me it feels like lemon lime, which is fine. But it smells really good though. But it smells like lemon lime to me. But this is technically sour candy scented. So if you like sour candy or sour scents, then this would be great for you. Also, I'm going to slime probably a 9 out of 10 because I really like the texture of it. I think it's great, especially for beginners because it's not sticky or anything. So, yeah, now I'll show you the next slime that I got. I'm actually going to slime what's called We Belong Together, which I think is so cute. Look at this. And this is an icy slime, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to review this for you, and then I'm going to show you guys what this thing looks like. So, yeah. Fruit and honey, I believe. It smells really good. So it smells like, to me, it's hard to describe, but it has like this like very familiar smell, but it smells really sweet and stuff, which is great for me. So yeah, I love the slime. I think it's like really pretty and stuff. It was like half yellow, half orange, half pinkish, kind of like a sunset to me. Now it's just like this like light yellow color, and it has like these like two cute beach stars that you guys just saw, which I think are adorable. So I'm gonna slime a 9 out of 10. I really liked it. I highly recommend it. So yeah, here, because look how cute these are. Look at them. These are adorable. But anyways, that's besides the point. We're gonna show you the slime first, or second, I should say. So this is the Peachy's Outerly in Love slime. This is like a half bingsu, half cloud slime, I believe. It's like half pink, purple, pinkish. I can't really tell. With like half blue. But I'll show you guys the slime when I start like revealing it from like up there. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys the actual slime and me like mixing it together. So yeah, I'm also curious to see what the entire texture is gonna be like. So we'll find that out. So that was the slime I just reviewed for you. Honestly, the cloud slime texture definitely like overpowers the like Peachy Bbies texture, but like combined together, they actually feel really good. And this is like a floral scented slime, pretty sure, from what I took on the website. To me, it smells like more like shaving cream, but it's fine. I thought it smelled like shaving cream, so like I'm fine with it. And yeah, I'm gonna get slime and 9 out of 10 because I really liked it and I highly recommend it. So onto the next one. I have another day clay slime because you guys probably know I'm obsessed with them. So this is called the what's it called again? The Candy Heart DIY kit slime. So I'm going to review it for you guys, and I'm just going to show you what it is. So I believe this is a glossy texture with like the clay pieces. So I'm very excited to mix this because you guys know I love clay slimes or clay mixing slimes. So let me just go ahead and mix this together for you guys. So yeah. Okay, so once mixed, it turns into like this like slate slime that inflated. Obviously, you guys can probably tell it's it's bigger than the container now. So, how to put it in a new container now, or this? I'm probably use this one, you know, to save up room, I guess. So, yeah, but this time was a lot of fun to mix up. I thought it was really fun. I like the texture of it. This is candy heart scented, by the way, which smells pretty good to me. I'm gonna sign my 10 out of 10 because I thought it was so much fun to like mix in and stuff, and also I loved it doing clay slime, so that's also why. So on to the very last slime. So yeah, so this is the slime I wanted to review the most because I know it's a DIY clay slime, but this slime looks so much fun to mix in. So yeah, this is the Lonely Hearth Club slime, and I'm just gonna get right into it honestly. So just go ahead and watch the clip. Alright guys, so that was the last slime I reviewed. As you can tell, I waited a lot. Also, sorry for such like the messy, like bad looking review I just did there. That was a bit of a disaster, not gonna lie. But anyways, I'm gonna slime a 10 out of 10 because besides the fact that the black slime that is real was like very sticky, this slime was actually very fun to mix in. And I really liked it. So anyways, now I'm gonna do the final conclusion of all slimes, and yeah. Okay, so overall, I thought all slimes were amazing. I loved them all so much. In my opinion, I think Peachy Bbies slimes are probably like the best slimes you can probably get. So anyways, that's it for today's video. If you guys like to hit like, comment, subscribe. And also, my next video is probably St. Patrick's Day themed or Easter themed. I'm not really sure, but just stay tuned for those. So yeah, bye.